Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to fix iPhone ringer not working during incoming calls. If you are also facing that issue, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to check DND mode and make sure that DND is disabled. To check that, open Control Center and disable DND mode. The second thing that we have to do, turn off silent mode if it's on. Check your silent mode. If it's on, then turn off silent mode. Number 3, check iOS update. To check that, first launch settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and tap on general, then tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Number 4, first launch settings and enable airplane mode. Now force quit the setting app and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the force restart, same go back to settings and disable airplane mode. Finally we go for solution number 5. First launch settings, then we have to tap on general, and under general we have to tap on reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.